Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus Strix ROG. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus Strix ROG won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can stem from a variety of problems, ranging from a faulty power supply to a dead battery or even a damaged motherboard. If left unresolved, it can lead to further complications and potentially irreversible damage to your device. Thankfully, with a bit of patience and the right tools, you can fix it yourself. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement component, depending on what's causing the issue. Start by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully use the plastic spudger to open the casing of your Asus Strix ROG. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips that hold the casing together. Once you've opened it, locate the power supply connection and check for any visible damage. If you spot any burnt components or loose connections, those may be the culprits. To replace a faulty power supply, carefully disconnect the power cables by pressing the tabs and pulling them apart. Remove the screws securing the power supply to the motherboard, using your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to remember the type and length of screws, as this will help during reassembly. When removing components, be cautious not to touch any nearby parts to avoid static damage. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've removed the faulty component, install the new one by reversing the steps you took to remove it. Secure it with the screws and reconnect the power cables, ensuring a snug fit. After everything is back in place, it's time to carefully close the casing of your Asus Strix ROG. Make sure all clips are aligned, and apply gentle pressure to snap the casing back together. Now, plug in your device and attempt to power it on. If it turns on successfully, congratulations! You've completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that your device is kept in a clean, dry environment, and avoid overloading it with heavy tasks that could strain the components. Regular maintenance checks can also help catch potential issues early on. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.